Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalen Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and if you're new here, don't forget to do two things. The first is subscribe down below, and the second is click that notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. So today I'm gonna be trying a twist out, and I really need y'all to wish me luck because on the list of things I don't do is twist outs. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, and I'm really just hoping for the best. But I did prep my hair. All right, y'all, so to prep my hair for this, I'm gonna just take it out. My hair is already in twists, but trust, these are not the twists for the twist out. All I did was apply, I think I got it here somewhere. Yes, all I did was apply the avocado moisturizing hair milk. This bad boy is super moisturizing. I use this kind of as a leave-in. I freshly shampooed and deep conditioned my hair, washed that out, and then I applied this, detangled my hair and twisted it up, and then I went to sleep like this. So my twists are like still slightly damp, but nothing too crazy. I did not want to do this twist out on soaking wet hair, so that's pretty much why I did it. And I also wanted my hair to already be moisturized. I don't even know where to begin, y'all, because I don't do twist outs at all. This is a brand new territory for me, and I'm scared, honestly. Scared. What is Jalen without a wash and go? I don't know. Okay, so this is obviously too big of a twist for me. The way I see it, I have the best chance of having the best twist out if I take small sections, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So this is when my hair, like I said, it's not completely dry. It's got moisture in it, and that's what I wanted for the most part. So how do I wanna do this today? I'm really winging it. So I have my Denman brush. Like I said, my hair is not completely dry, but I'm just being, you know, gentle with my hair. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make this into two sections. Is that enough? I have no idea. Is that enough? I'm gonna say it's enough because I feel like, how small do I really want the section? No, you know what? I think this is gonna be a 3 section. It's gonna be 3. Y'all might be like, how many twists are you gonna have? I have no clue, but I just feel like when it comes to definition and getting it to look right, the less or the more sections, the better. Okay, so I'm going in with the blueberry twist and shout cream. This stuff smells amazing and is super moisturizing, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Just gonna apply it to my hands. Really adding all the product all the way through. Honestly, this might be counterproductive with the amount of product that I applied, thinking that my hair is actually stretched, but it's whatever, it's whatever. And I'm just gonna twist. And then at the ends, I'm just gonna apply a little more product and twirl my hair. That looks like a very small twist. So how many of these am I gonna end up doing is the question. So I'm basically just going to continue this process and speed it up for y'all. But y'all, I wanted to come back and show you guys what the twists are looking like. When I do things, I really do commit to them because it's about like 40 something twists in my head. Yeah, so I shouldn't be lacking in the definition department. And if y'all see, like, these twists are looking like shiny and juicy. They look good. And you can also see, you know, the layers that I have in my hair. I wish, like, for twists, I think it would look so much better if my hair was one length, like they all came down here. But I wear my hair in wash and goes, and for that, that's why I keep my shape like this. And now y'all know why I really don't be doing this. Because who has the time? Wash and go, I wash and go. It took me like, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours to twist my whole head up. Now, mind you, I get distracted and stuff like that, but this ain't no joke. So I'm really hoping that it turns out cute. Comment down below, let me know. Do you think it's gonna be bomb? Let me know. But I'm not gonna sit under the dryer this time because I'm tired. I'm tired of doing my hair for the day. So I'm going to go to sleep with my twists like that, and in the morning, I'm gonna take them down and show you guys my final results. So to go to sleep with my hair like this, I'm basically just gonna put it in a ponytail. Yo, I got so many layers, y'all, look. This don't even wanna go in a ponytail. I'm just gonna tuck it under some other twists. And then I'm gonna take my bonnet. I'll have it linked down below, but me and this bonnet been riding together for like 2 years and I mess with it heavy. And then I'm just gonna tighten that thing at the bottom. And that's how I'm gonna go to sleep. So peace out. All right, y'all, so it's been like 2 or 3 days. I honestly lost count. It just took me so long to twist up my hair. I really just needed a break from doing my hair, and I didn't want to come back on camera until I was ready to hit that bad boy again. So yeah, I've been wearing my hair kind of like this, just in these mini twists, since I twisted so many twists in my head. So I just been wearing my hair like this, but I'm ready to take it down, finally. We're gonna see how this twist out turns out. And I always forget a twist because there's so many twists in my head. I'm gonna try the section. I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna just use this melanin hair oil to take my twist down. Okay guys, I'm back and I just finished like picking my hair and separating my hair, and this is what the twist out is looking like. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Like, I definitely need to work on my twist outs, but I can't really be mad because this is the first time I've done a twist out solely for the purpose of the twist out, not just mini twist to twist out. So I can't really be mad because it's been the first time in, I don't know, probably years that I've attempted just to do a twist out. So I'm not upset. I just got some work to do. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I do like volume, but it isn't as defined as I would like it to be. I like volume with definition, and this I feel like is more frizz than I would like for this style, but it's not terrible. Like, I will wear this out, but I don't want to call this a fail. It's just not a success. It's somewhere in between. It's like a part of this learning curve, you know? It's not bad. It's just, I wanted to be head over heels in love, especially after how long it took. Like, it took me way longer to do mini twists than a wash and go, but I perfected the wash and go, and I haven't perfected the mini twist yet. So y'all just let me know what y'all think below. I'm okay with it, but I'm not in love. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.